different beer today and a different meal. We're having Yuengling Light 2.5 gram carb. It's really some meatballs. It's gonna go on our cauliflower meatball parmesan, like a lasagna. So we're gonna drop them in a hot pan with a little olive oil. Then we're gonna turn them down. You gotta learn. So we can turn it off and leave them in there for another 5 minutes. Okay. We're gonna have today cauliflower meatball parmesan lasagna. You know how to make it? No, I know. Because I just discovered it today by looking at the cauliflower and said, what can I make out of this? So I have roasted the whole cauliflower. I took them apart, little small florets, as you can see. You know, I seasoned it, pepper, salt, paprika, a little bit of oil. So now I'm going to add my tomato sauce, which I made it at home with the garlic, tomatoes, and spinach, fresh. Put this on, just like we're making a lasagna, remember that. It could be in order, it doesn't have to be in order, but this is how you like to put it. That's how we're gonna put it. Okay, just about done. And a little bit more. Cauliflower lasagna. And you can just put them on there because I only cooked them like 6-7 minutes. Just outside, probably inside little needs to be cooked. And that's why we don't want to overcook them. They're gonna be baked. So, okay, now we build our cauliflower lasagna meatball parmesan. Now we have half a cup of ricotta cheese. Beat up some egg, 1 egg. I'm gonna put my egg in there so it's gonna be a bindery. It will hold the cheese together. Then I have my parsley. Always do Italiano when you make an Italian. So this is Italian parsley. Chop. Okay. Mix it. Mix it good. Okay. Put some pepper. Of course, the black pepper. This smells good. And we never use table salt. That's garbage. This is our pink salt. Okay. Okay, so we got the salt and pepper there, right? We're gonna put a little bit peppercorn, chili peppers. Okay, next one, I'm putting some mozzarella. And then I have a little bit parmesan. Okay. And I mix it up. Okay, time to dress it up with our cheese sauce. We're making lasagna. This is how lasagna looks like. Gonna cover more cheese. Okay. Green on top. Lots of green. What else I'm gonna do, right? Okay, now the Parmesan. Okay, so I'm gonna bake this 375 for 20 minutes, 25 minutes, and then I'll show you when it's done. And you can watch me eating it. Let's see it. Wow. Ovens can make magical things when it's hot because I turned the heater up a little bit. Oh, mamma mia. Ooh, yay, yay. Okay, holy moly. We got our meatballs, lasagna, parmesan is done. It really is that good. Let's dig in. Hold on. I'm gonna show you some. Now, how delicious is that? That's your... Oh my goodness. Did I go overboard? Mmm. Oh my God. This is the best thing I ever came up with. I was just thinking today how to make this. Mmm. Ah. Look at the meatballs. Yummy. Yum, yum. It's really juicy inside. Look. It's juicy. Yummy. Guys, when you're doing keto, don't worry. You don't have to compromise the flavor taste. You can still have lasagna. And the bottom, look, that's your pasta. Mmm, too much.